Welcome to Meadowbrook Estates, where we're offering a spacious 2,700 square feet over 2 levels backing onto the green space and Nicomekl walking trails. This completely updated home offers a level walk-in to the main floor with laminate wood floors that lead past the first bedroom. The gorgeous main bathroom, with heated marble floors and marble counters, complements the glass-enclosed shower with a tile marble surround. The laundry room is just beside the bathroom. A spacious dining room and living room wrap around the back of the home, revealing a brand new kitchen with white shaker cupboards surrounded by black stainless steel appliances and marble countertops overtop the island. A gas fireplace and feature wall sit next to the sliding door leading out to the sundeck overlooking the green space. A large main floor primary bedroom with a walk-in closet has an incredible ensuite matching the fit and finish of the main bathroom. Downstairs, a huge family room with a gas fireplace leads out to a concrete patio sharing the same green space view. The massive downstairs bedroom sits off the family room and around the corner from the updated 3-piece bathroom. The downstairs flex space borders the utility room with a high-efficiency furnace and on-demand water heater. Rounding out the downstairs is a large workshop and storage space. This amazing location offers peace and tranquility in a beautiful community neighborhood.